All right, let's dive into this. Understanding your embroidery machine and patch materials. So have you ever really thought about it? Your embroidery machine? What's its limit? What's its untapped potential? Every machine has quirks and, yeah, superpowers. Know your hoop size, folks. If it's small, no problem. Stick to smaller patches. But hey, want to go big? Upgrade or use split hooping techniques. Machines like the Brother PR1055X or Tajima's TMBR-SC series, oh, they're rocking multi-needle setups. That means faster production and some serious thread layering magic. Now, materials. Let me tell you, this is make or break. You need a solid base. Twill fabric with a polyester backing. It's a classic because guess what? It handles high-speed stitching like a pro. Want military-grade toughness? Go for duck cloth. It's a beast. And don't skimp on tear-away or cut-away stabilizers. Seriously, those are your no-compromise items. Threads? They matter. Oh boy, they matter. Polyester thread for fade resistance. Or if you're feeling fancy, rayon for that extra luxe vibe. And don't even think about cheap brands. Go high-end. Go high-end. Madeira is a cord. Trust me, tension issues will be a thing of the past. Speaking of tension, set it right. Oh, and calibration? Test your needle size. A 7511 is golden for most jobs, but adjust if you're working with thick materials. Sharpen those needles too, every 8 hours. Precision, my friends. Precision. 2. Designing and digitizing like a pro. Here's where the magic begins. Designing. You need the right tools. Wilcom Embroidery Studio or Hatch Embroidery. These bad boys, they transform art into stitch-perfect, machine-readable formats. No more distortion or puckering. The trick? Start with high-res, vectorize that art. No shortcuts, okay? Now let's talk layers. Start with a base underlay. Think zigzag, maybe tatami stitches. This locks everything down. Then your top stitching, that's where the details shine. Get this right and tension issues won't dare bother you. Don't skip a test run. Stitch on scrap fabric first. It's like rehearsing for a performance. Oh, and use color matching tools. Nail those threads. It's all in the details, folks, because a killer patch, it's all about the details. 3, stitching the patch with precision. All right, now we're stitching. Placement, it's everything. Secure that fabric, use spray adhesive, or go old school with double-sided tape. Hoop it tight, but hey, don't stretch it like a trampoline that warps your design later. Speed is your secret weapon. Got an industrial machine? It can handle 1,200 stitches per minute. But for fine details, dial it down. 600, 800 SPM is your sweet spot. It keeps edges crisp, threads happy. Thread trimming, it's the unsung hero. Invest in machines with auto cutters or trim manually right away. It's the difference between clean transitions and a tangled mess. Finally, elevate the finish. Go for heat seal backing if you want iron-on patches, or add a marrow border. That traditional edge screams professional. These little touches, they separate the pros from, well,